all these cars out. What's up, everybody? Guys and girls, this is Timmy from Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? All right, check it out. I'm right here at the best place on earth. Cox Auto Salvage, right here in Elm City, North Carolina. And I got my little tool bag to help me take off the parts I need. Now, in this episode of Astral Auto Repairs, we are going to be converting an ABS system over to non-ABS system. Not because just to see if we could do it, it's for safety reasons. So you want to make sure you adhere to this video because there is some crucial information involved with this. You definitely don't want to miss a minute of that. All right, coming up on Astral Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com. Alright guys, here we are. Cox Auto Salvage. Yeah, look at that. What's coming in here? Oh, interesting. I like those hubcaps. Chrome hubcaps right there. That's cool. Alright, but let's focus on what we got. Alright guys, let's get right to it. Here we are. We're in the Chevy section. Now to make this work, guys, again, you have to, if you're doing this to an 05 Chevy that has ABS, or actually it's L2 to maybe 01 or maybe 2000 up to 2006, 2007. You definitely want to follow this carefully. Now, your Malibu is going to look something like, your Impala is going to look something like this. This is an 04 right here. You can see they marked it right on the windshield. And if you look at your ABS system is going to be set up like this. You're going to have your ABS pump, and you're going to have 4 lines going into that ABS system. And these lines are going to be braided also. 2 of them are. And then the other, you got 2 lines going right to the master. That's your basis for this system. All right, now what you're going to do is try to find a 2005, 2006 Chevy LT. It happens to be right over here. Hey, where's my bag of tools at? What the heck? Oh, there you go. And what you want to do now, let's go back here. I think it's the LT, the Cruise LT or something. Oh, let's go back here. The Malibu LT. All right, this is a 2006, as you can see. Right from the back glass. Now what you want to do here is go up here to the front. Move the headlights out of the way and all. You're going to see a system set up just like this. You see this manifold right here? This manifold is like a, it replaces the ABS pump and all. You got 2 lines in the back that's going to your master cylinder, and then you got the 4 brake lines coming out. Now what we're going to do here is get this thing unbolted. And actually what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to unbolt it from the master cylinder, because you see these braided lines down here. That is very important for being able to move this around to bolt up to the other one. All right, and what I'm going to do, I'm not going to unscrew these because I need that slide. I may need that. So what I'm going to do is unbolt this bracket here, pull these lines out, and go down as far as I can and cut the lines. All right, so let's get that done and we'll be right back. All right, guys, the first thing we want to do is move my thing out the way. We've got our expansion tank right here. Gonna pick up on this little tab right here, pick this up, pull that out to the side. I can unplug it, plug the sensor if I want, give me more room. What I'm going to do is take the master and all. Now, what's held on down here, what's holding the master on is 2 13mm nuts. As soon as I can find my setup here, I got my 6-inch 3/8 drive extension with my 13mm shallow socket. I should have a 13mm deep, but I don't have it, so you do it best you can. So I'm gonna go down here. Dang it, it don't go on all the way. So here's a little trick. You take the socket off, you put it onto the nut. Let me see. Okay, you put it onto the nut, and you can see the stud's still sticking out a little bit, but it should be just enough so you can get the sock, get the extension on it, and turn that. So, let me get me my ratchet. Definitely good go to when you go into a scrapyard or something. You definitely want to get you something cordless. Man, these things are great. All right, let's go in here. Dang it, it's not enough. I'll pull the socket back just a little bit, and I got it right off. So what I did, I put the socket on. The extension wouldn't go in. So what I did was back the socket off of the nut just a little bit, but still grabbing onto the nut. But then at the same time, it's grabbing on to the extension. And now I backed it off. Now I'm able to get in there. Still not big. Dang it. Put it back on there. Put it back on there. And take that off. All right, let's get both of those off. Then, to get this manifold out of here, is held on, looks like 2 nuts on the other side of the fender. Go inside here, and we should see them someplace. Oh, figures. Dang it, where the heck is it? Right behind the strut. It figures, yeah, I feel one right behind there. So the other one's got to be behind there. That's gonna suck. All right, so I'm gonna unbolt those as well. All right, we'll be right back. All right, guys, we got the master cylinder pulled out. Now, more than likely, guaranteed we won't be reusing that master. Just want to get out of here. Now we gotta go up in here. I got my lights set up, and we got 2 10mm nuts. And what I'm gonna do is got my 12-inch 3/8 drive extension, and I got a wobble extension because you're gonna definitely need this, or if you got a swivel extension with a 10mm socket on it. And I'm gonna go right between the springs like that. Get my big bill, and we're gonna take them off. We got one right there and one right up under it. All right, so let's get that off. We'll be right back. All right, guys, now that we got that off, what we're gonna do is pull the bracket out and pull forward. You're gonna have a whole bunch of lines here, which is okay, which is cool. Now your shortest one is going to be down to the left front wheel. And these other 3 are going to the other wheel. But so what we're going to do is get us some snips. I hope I brought some. Or some dang cheesy ones. But now we're going to make sure you get enough room. Give you a lot of play in there, because you may have to put fittings between them. May have to. And what you're going to do is cut the lines. And then reach down and cut the one going down to the left front wheel. There we go. And we have our whole system out of there. That looks great. Again, we're not going to be using the master cylinder. So what I'm going to do now is unbolt it from there, take it out of the master, and that's all we need. Our main thing is this manifold right here. That is our important part. All right, be right back. All right, guys, we got it. Here we go. Yeah, boy, look at that manifold. All right, so let's go up in the front, get this paid for. I don't know, I might walk around for a little bit, but nah. What is this? City Slicker. Hey, if Steve Davis is watching this video, that Steve Davis is one I'm going to be racing after Eric the car guy. Steve, Look at these box Chevys, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Look at the condition of them. Just want to let you know, buddy, you need anything, you let me know. Give Cox a call. These guys are great, Steve. I'm telling you, they're great. Look at the body of this thing. They are definitely great guys. And they got a bunch of them, too. Think you're going to race me? That's your problem. Think you're going to beat me? I don't know what the heck your problem is. But, all right, guys. Let's get this back to the house, and we'll be right back.
Alright, so this is the end of part 1 on this 2005 Chevy Impala. So as you guys can see, we got everything we needed to convert this vehicle from an ABS vehicle to a non-ABS vehicle. So make sure you stay tuned for part 2 to see us do that. Dun dun dun.
Yeah, boy.
Alright, in the meantime, if you guys have any comments or questions, you can post it below in the comment section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.